Immerse yourself in luxury with the Scudo S6 brushed brass double-door quadrant shower enclosure, available here at Bella Bathrooms. With its clear glass panels, the enclosure allows for unobstructed views, making your bathroom feel more spacious and inviting. This timeless brushed brass shower enclosure adds a touch of sophistication to any decor, while the quadrant shape saves valuable space by fitting perfectly into a corner. No more struggling with cumbersome shower curtains or outdated enclosures. The smooth sliding action double doors provide effortless entry and exit, ensuring convenience and ease of use. The Aqua Shield glass treatment offers superior protection against soap scum and water stains, keeping your shower enclosure looking brand new for more extended periods. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning and hello to sparkling clarity every day. To complete the look, match this exquisite shower enclosure with our range of brushed brass accessories for a cohesive and polished aesthetic. From towel rings to robe hooks, every detail has been carefully considered to promote your bathroom's style. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.